What if some pickup trucks aren't just reliable, but are engineered to outlive everything? Because while most vehicles start breaking down after 100,000 miles, a few keep pushing past 400,000. And yes, even 1 million miles with basic care. Today, we're counting down 11 pickups with immortal engines, because these are the ones that refuse to die. Number 11. The Ford F-150, the durable engine variants. The Ford F-150 earns its place on this list because it's built around one core advantage: mechanical accessibility and long-term serviceability. With massive parts availability, widespread mechanic familiarity, and proven engine options like the 5.0-liter V8 and earlier naturally aspirated V6 platforms, long-term ownership for this truck stays realistic instead of financially punishing. Older naturally aspirated F-150 engines are well documented crossing 200,000 to 300,000 miles, with nothing more than routine maintenance, proper cooling care, and basic servicing. The strong block construction, conservative tuning, and simple drivetrains reduce stress on the internal components, which dramatically slows mechanical wear over time. Number 10. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 and GMC Sierra 1500. But what happens when a truck is built for real work instead of engineering trends? The Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra earn their longevity reputation through mechanical balance and not complexity. Powered by legendary V8 platforms like the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter, these trucks are engineered to deliver torque without overstressing the internal components. Along with all of this, their conservative tuning, strong block construction, and proven cooling systems allow them to age slowly instead of collapsing under wear. Owners routinely report 250,000 plus miles with just routine servicing, oil changes, transmission care, and cooling maintenance. Their serviceable layout, massive parts availability, and widespread mechanical familiarity make long-term ownership sustainable instead of financially draining. Number 9. The Toyota Tacoma. The Toyota Tacoma has built a reputation that borders on legendary, not through power or luxury, but through engineering discipline. With a 26 to 27% chance of surpassing 250,000 miles, it ranks far above industry averages for longevity, and that isn't accidental. The 2.7-liter four-cylinder and 3.5-liter V6 engines are designed to operate under low stress, with conservative tuning, reliable cooling systems, and simple mechanical layouts. So how does a mid-size truck outlast so many full-size pickups? That's because Tacomas aren't overworked, overboosted, or over-engineered. They're built to endure daily use, harsh conditions, and long-term ownership without any internal collapse. The minimal drivetrain complexity, strong frames, and proven transmission pairings allow these trucks to age gracefully instead of being unpredictable. Owners don't just keep Tacomas running, they keep them for decades. They have low major repair rates, massive parts availability, and unmatched resale value, which makes them one of the most sustainable trucks to own long-term. Number 8. The Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra consistently ranks at the very top of longevity studies, with an estimated 36% chance of surpassing 250,000 miles, which is nearly 1.9 times the industry average for full-size trucks. That level of durability isn't marketing hype. It's the result of conservative engineering and mechanical restraint. Older generations of the Tundra, especially those built around naturally aspirated V8 engines, were designed with simplicity and endurance as priorities. No overcomplicated drivetrains, no aggressive tuning, and no fragile systems pushed to their limits. The engines were understressed, the cooling systems were robust, and the overall mechanical layout favored reliability over performance gimmicks. The Tundra's strength also comes from its structural integrity with strong frames, dependable transmissions, and durable suspension systems that handle long-term wear without cascading failures. These trucks not only survive mileage, they also tolerate abuse, heavy use, and years of daily driving. So what's the secret behind these trucks lasting longer than most cars? Is it brand loyalty, engineering philosophy, or something about how they're used and cared for? The answer might surprise you, and it's exactly what separates these immortal pickups from the rest of the pack. Number 7. The Ram 3500, diesel and gas. Next on our list is the Ram 3500, which isn't built like a consumer pickup. It's engineered like industrial equipment. With the heavy-duty frames, oversized cooling systems, reinforced drivetrains, and commercial-grade components, it's structurally different from light-duty trucks. How does a work truck survive conditions that destroy normal vehicles? That's because these platforms are designed to carry weight, pull heavy loads, and operate daily under stress that would quickly break standard pickups. The real longevity legend, though, comes from its diesel options, especially the Cummins powerplants. These engines are known for massive internal strength, low-stress output tuning, and mechanical durability that prioritizes endurance over performance numbers. In real-world commercial use, Cummins-equipped Ram 3500s have documented service lives approaching 500,000 miles to near million-mile ranges with proper maintenance. Even gas versions benefit from the truck's overbuilt platform design. Stronger transmissions, cooling systems, and load-rated components extend the lifespan well beyond normal vehicle standards. Number 6. The Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD and GMC Sierra 3500 HD. In the heavy-duty category, the Silverado 3500 HD and Sierra 3500 HD are built like commercial equipment, not consumer trucks. These platforms use reinforced frames, oversized cooling systems, heavy-duty transmissions, and load-rated drivetrains designed for constant stress, towing, and long operational cycles. As a result, with regular maintenance and sane usage, these trucks commonly surpass 250,000 to 300,000 plus miles, and real-world fleets and commercial units have been documented pushing well past 400,000 miles. Their durability doesn't come from complexity, but from the structural strength, conservative tuning, and mechanical simplicity compared to modern light-duty platforms. And if we pair that foundation with proven diesel options like the Duramax V8, what you get is a true longevity platform. These engines are known for strong internals, balanced power output, and long service intervals when properly maintained. Number 5. The Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty lineup, especially the F-250 and F-350, consistently appears on high-mileage longevity lists for one reason. These trucks are engineered for sustained stress instead of short-term performance. With their reinforced frames, heavy-duty cooling systems, overbuilt transmissions, and conservative power tuning, they are far more durable than typical light-duty pickups. What truly elevates their longevity reputation is Ford's gas-powered big block approach. They use large displacement naturally aspirated engines to reduce heat stress, mechanical strain, and component fatigue, which are the three biggest killers of long-term reliability. This is where the modern 7.3-liter Godzilla V8 stands out. It's built with simplicity, strong internals, and low stress output, and blends old-school durability philosophy along with modern manufacturing precision. These trucks aren't chasing peak horsepower numbers and are built for work cycles. With proper maintenance, many Super Duty models regularly exceed 250,000 to 300,000 miles, especially in fleet, towing, and commercial use. Number 4. The Nissan Titan. Our number 4 is the Nissan Titan that is often overlooked in durability conversations, but quietly earns its place among long-lasting pickups thanks to the simple engineering, strong mechanical foundations, and dependable V8 powertrains. While it doesn't dominate sales charts like Toyota or GM, the Titan was built with a traditional full-size truck philosophy, solid frame construction, robust drivetrains, and engines designed for steady, long-term use rather than extreme tuning. Its naturally aspirated V8 engines are known for consistent performance, manageable heat output, and lower mechanical stress compared to smaller turbocharged setups. This translates into fewer catastrophic failures, lower long-term repair complexity, and better real-world reliability when maintenance is done properly. Owners frequently report Titans pushing well beyond 200,000 to 250,000 miles with routine servicing, without the chronic engine issues that plague many modern downsized platforms. It may not be the most popular truck in the segment, but in terms of quiet, long-term survivability, it consistently proves it belongs among the immortals. Trucks that last forever rarely rely on flashiness. Instead, they rely on engineering simplicity and design philosophy that prioritizes longevity over rapid innovation cycles. But that doesn't mean modern trucks can't last. All it means is that you have to know which ones have proven track records and which ones are still unproven. Number 3. The Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline is a surprising entry, but a legitimate one. Its unibody construction and smooth, naturally aspirated V6 focus more on mechanical reliability than on brute force, creating a pickup that ages quietly and consistently. Instead of being built for heavy-duty hauling, it's built for longevity, and that's where it shines. Owners regularly see high mileage with fewer major repairs compared to traditional body-on-frame trucks, thanks to Honda's conservative engineering, strong powertrain design, and low-stress performance tuning. It doesn't go after torque numbers or extreme capability, but prioritizes balance, refinement, and durability. Number 2. The Dodge Ram 2500 with Cummins diesel. The Ram 2500, equipped with a Cummins diesel engine, is one of the most respected longevity builds in the pickup world, especially in commercial, towing, and heavy haul environments where failure isn't an option. With features like its robust thermal tolerance, overbuilt internal components, and a mechanically durable diesel platform, Cummins-powered Rams regularly exceed 300,000+ miles with consistent maintenance. And in actual usage, many have documented examples go far beyond that, especially in fleet, agricultural, and industrial settings where uptime matters more than comfort. The strength comes from engineering philosophy, which includes strong blocks, low-stress power delivery, serviceable components, and systems designed for endurance. Number 1. The Dodge Ram 2500 and 3500 5.9-liter Cummins legendary diesel. Topping our list is the Ram 2500 and 3500 with the 5.9-liter Cummins turbo diesel, which is widely regarded as one of the most immortal engines ever built for a pickup. This engine has real-world examples, with some crossing 900,000+ miles, and some have even approached the million-mile mark. And all of this is thanks to a simple, robust internal design that avoids common weak points like timing chain failures found in modern engines. This is a longevity legend. It's used for heavy towing, daily commercial use, and decades of continuous service, but barely slows down when properly maintained. Its overbuilt block, durable turbo, and low-stress tuning allow it to thrive where other engines fail. If there's a pickup engine that truly defines "can't die," this is it. The 5.9-liter Cummins doesn't just survive miles, it outlives the trucks, owners, and yes, definitely the expectations, cementing its status as a mechanical icon in the world of heavy-duty pickups. From daily workhorses like the F-150 to heavy-duty legends like the Ram 3500 Cummins, these pickups prove that true longevity comes from engineering built to last. The common thread? Simple, robust engines, durable drivetrains, and systems designed to handle heat and stress, instead of being flashy or complex. Choosing an immortal truck isn't luck, it's knowing which engines survive the long haul. Which of these would you trust to still be running decades from now? Let me know your thoughts. If you thought longevity was everything, think again, because some trucks that look tough today are losing value fast. Check out our video on "These 8 trucks are worthless now. 2026 major value loss" next.